Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, from this series onwards, I am going to start the most hectic and important topics in computer science, which is nothing but algorithms and data structures. But don't worry, I'll explain everything in a clear manner. I know. When you hear algorithms and data structures, it might sound overwhelming. But here is the good news to you. I'm going to break down each concept in the simplest way possible. So, using some pictures and stories, I will explain every concept in an understandable way. So, let's get into the series. So, the first topic is algorithms versus program. Once upon a time, in a magical kitchen, there was a master chef named Olgo. Olgo was famous for making the best cakes in the land. He had a special recipe that he followed every time to make sure his cakes turned out perfect. So, this recipe is like an algorithm. Olgo's recipe was very detailed. It told him exactly what to do step by step. The steps are gathering ingredients, mix the ingredients in a bowl, pour the mix into a cake pan, bake it in the oven for 30 minutes. So, these and all the step by step instructions. Just like this recipe, an algorithm is a step by step plan to solve a problem. Olgo had a helper named Proggy. Proggy's job was to bake the cake. Proggy's actions are like program. So algorithm is like Algo's recipe that tells how to make the cake. Program is nothing but Proggy's actual work of baking the cake by following the recipe. Before Proggy starts baking, Algo spends some time making sure his recipe is just right. So this is like designing phase. Proggy starts baking, which is the doing or implementation phase. Algo is a great chef. If you are making a recipe for a cake, you need to know about ingredients and how they work together. Similarly, if someone is making a computer program for a hospital, they need to know about hospitals. Algo recipe can be written in any language. It could be in English or even in pictures also. So the same goes for algorithms. They can be written in different ways. But when Proggy starts baking, he needs specific tools like an oven. Similarly, when a program runs, it needs a computer and an operating system like Windows or Mac. Before Proggy bakes, Algo checks the recipe to make sure it will work well. So, this is like analyzing an algorithm to ensure it's efficient. Proggy then bakes the cake to see if everything turns out right, just like testing a program to see if it works. Remember the story of Algo and Proggy when you think about algorithms and programs. An algorithm is like a recipe that tells you what to do, and a program is the actual work of doing it. And just like baking a cake with the right recipe and a good baker, you can create something amazing. Make sure to understand what is an algorithm and program. Designing phase, where we will put our ideas into the paper and we'll discuss with others. So this can be written in any language. Here in this phase, we are implementing something. So this is called as implementation phase. So this can be done in any programming language. So that's it for this video. Feel free to ask me any questions or tell me how I can make this story even better for you. Together we'll make learning about algorithms and programs as a fun and simple as baking a delicious cake. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more coding tips and tutorials. So thanks for watching. Happy coding.